Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing well. So, accessibility is the one whenever you are dealing with LMS, you might have been targeted LMS for all. So, accessibility basically means it will add some extra extended functionality to your LMS. The way you will be able to make it this particular font larger, make it in a different color, or if maybe sometimes screen size you see here the extended like this. So in Moodle, there are lots of accessibility plugin free, and today we'll be talking around local accessibility. Okay, so this is maintained by Adam Jackins and Panalvat. You see here the other name. So an accessibility plugin that allow user to customize the visual appearance of Moodle that suits to your individual preferences. Okay, so each and every individual will have that ability. They can set up at their own, whatever the color combination like, the font size. So kind of thing it should supposed to be here in this plugin. Okay, so let's get started and try installing this one. So let me click here on download. So yes, of course, you'll have the this download from the Moodle 4.02, the latest one 4.5. So in my case, I have here the latest Moodle, so I will be moving ahead with this particular one. Well, so it is just a very minimum size. You see here the size is 194 KB only. So I am downloading this for the second time because I have already used this one. Well, so coming inside this site administration options, then under plugins, and then install. So here I will follow the drag and drop rule. Again, install plugin from the zip. Click on continue. My server meets all the requirements. Continue. So here on this page will take a bit of time here because it installs everything. Now coming here, upgrade Moodle database. Time for. So these you see here background color face. Okay. So what all will have the background color will have the font face. You can go for changing this font size, even visibility, letter spacing. So kind of thing you'll have. So click on continue. Yeah. So I don't want to register. Okay. So now you see here this particular button is added. So the moment you install, you will see a start appearing like this. Okay. So background color you see, I can go for like this. Okay, so the moment I click on this, I see the light. Okay, so let's make it like this. Got it? So let's make it a bit of somewhere around this, and I simply close this one. And let's see what if I navigate this page. I'm coming back here on grades, and again I see whatever I had applied is appearing here too. So within course, I can go for also this particular one because it has some content. Now you see here, this is a very simple the one I applied. So it also changed here the icon for this one. Ideally it should not support it because it doesn't look better. So again, here on this page I can change like this, and you'll have also option here you can go for a reset. The font face you can go for, let me make it this. Okay, the font size normal will be like this. You can also increase like this. Okay, so whatever we'll have is one, and if you want to make it 1.5, you can go for this, and you can also go for make it two times larger. So kernel you see here, you see some bit of a change here on menu and other content. Yeah, so in case you have to reset, you can go for reset individual, and in case you have to reset all, you can also go here on top. Okay, so I can, if I have to reset everything, I can click on this, and the page will be refreshed and everything will be gone. Coming to this image visibility, in case I have a very low internet connectivity, I can go for hiding all the images. Okay, so currently you see it is hiding everything, and but yeah, this is coming from the video, so it will not hide your uh, what you say, the thumbnail of this particular video is we cannot hide, but image of course you see it is hidden now. Well, so image again, it will put everything back. So whenever I make it this, you have to add in, so the image it will also working for this particular icon as well. Okay, you see the icon is also going with it. So text color I can also update here, in case I have to make it blue, I can go for this. Okay, so blue looks pretty good here in this theme. The one thing that looks good now. Yeah, so this is how you can customize each and every, so this will have, each and every learner will have this capability they can go for. Okay, now coming to this particular, let's say I am going to log in with this particular user. Login as feature, continue, and I don't see the changes of what I have made there using the admin credential for this particular user. Okay, because each and every individual will have that ability, they can go for, they can set as per their preferences. Got it? So this is how, in case I have to make it a different one like this, I can go for this. Got it? Font I can go for like this. Okay, so that's it from this video. In case you love this or like this, you can use with your LMS. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.